Hi, my name is Narima, and today I'm going to be showing you how to cook a crispy, skin-on fillet of salmon. First with the ingredients. There's a saying from Da Vinci that goes, simplicity is the ultimate sophistication. What that means to me in this situation is take this beautiful piece of meat. We don't need a lot of crazy ingredients to bring out the flavor. We want to taste the natural flavors of this meat. So the simple, the better. Here we've got olive oil, we've got butter, we've got lemon, got a little bit of thyme, we've got, of course, garlic, salt and pepper. That's it. Can't get simpler than that. Now, let's heat up our pan. This is a non-stick pan. You want it as hot as possible when you put the salmon in. Reason being, you want to crisp it, make it nice and crunchy, not boil it. And how do we achieve that? It's got to be super hot. So let's leave this to warm up while we prepare our fish. First step in a crispy skinned salmon is scoring. Scoring means just cutting little slits as close as possible on the skin right in the middle. Why? Because that prevents the salmon from flaring out when you put it in the pan, so it'll cook evenly. Plus it'll get a lot of flavor into the little slits. So let's do that first. How do we do that? Very simple. We roll it up and we cut about a ½ inch little slits all around the fish. Now this is tough skin, but I'm tougher. And another thing you should be advised is you never want to cook cold salmon. Leave it out at room temperature. That way it cooks evenly, which is what we're looking for. Okey-doke. Now that we've scored it, see that? That's called scoring. Now let's season it a little bit. Salt. I don't go light on the seasoning, you should know this by now. Pepper. Make sure we get it all in here. That's a beauty. Let's check our pan. Olive oil, another tip. Olive oil needs to go in after the pan is heated. Reason being, if you put it in when the pan is cold, it burns the oil, and that's not what we're looking for. So maybe tablespoon and a half olive oil. I'm gonna wait for that to smoke for one more sec. And you know what? Here's another tip. If you want to know if the oil is ready, take your garlic. I will cut a small piece. See that sizzle? That's the sizzle you're looking for. That sizzle means the salmon is ready to go in. Here we go. Always lay the salmon away from you. Press down on it, that way it cooks evenly. Let's not forget to season the top. Now, I like to put my timer on for 3 to 4 minutes, just so I can keep track of what's happening. The way I know that the salmon is ready to be turned, it's gonna start changing color. Very simple. Do not touch the fish at all. We do one flip. Once the color reaches 2/3 of the way up, we are ready to flip this beauty over. So just keep an eye on it. Which I'm going to turn this around just so I can see it. It's got a little ways to go yet before we can flip it. Smells so good already. At this point, while it's cooking, you can add in the thyme. I like to squish it a little to bring out the flavor. And the garlic. That'll season up that oil so beautifully. Give it a nice flavor. Look at it. Just about, just about. See the color creeping up? Once that color creeps up, just got a little ways to go. We're gonna flip it. You can smell this. And I'm gonna leave this for 1 more minute and then I'm gonna flip it. Beautiful. Yep, almost there. Okie dokie. Looks like it's ready to flip. Oh my goodness, look at that beautiful skin. I'm gonna leave this to cook for 1 more minute. At this point, I like to add in some butter. Why? Because butter. There's no explanation for butter. Just make sure you get the butt, if you want to call it the butt, the tissue. Make sure you tilt the pan so you can cook the butt. Take it 1 more time this way. You can smell this. I'm going to give it 1 last flip. Isn't that a beauty? That's a beauty. Turn this off while I get my plate ready and my lemon. And here we go. Splash of lemon, and here you have it. Crispy, skin-on salmon. My daughter dared me to do Vogue.